Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create highlight covers for Instagram. If you're not sure what highlight covers are, they're those cute custom icons that you see underneath people's Instagram profiles. So I have a super quick and easy way for you to do this yourself, so definitely stay tuned for this video. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week, all about making the tech in online business as easy as possible. So if that is something that you would like to see more of, definitely hit subscribe down below. So step one is to create your highlights in Canva. If you've watched any of my videos before, you will know how much I love this tool. It's a free graphic design tool for non-designers, and I use it almost every single day. So they do have a desktop version or an app. You can use either, but for this video, I'm going to demo using the app so that you can just keep everything on your phone. All right, so first things first, you need to download the Canva app and sign up for a free account. After you do that, this is what you're going to see. So you're going to click Instagram Story and then blank. So I like to change the background color on my highlights. So if you want to do that too, just tap the background here and you'll see a few different options. You'll see a color wheel. So with this, if you click on that, you're able to just, choose the color like this. And if you know your brand colors even better, you can type that in at the bottom here. Okay. Now, because I'm using Canva for work, they actually save my brand colors for me. So I can just click here and bring up my brand color. Awesome. So now we need to add in that custom graphic. So you're going to click this plus sign, bottom right corner here, and then illustrations. And you'll see a search bar. So here is where you can type in whatever you want. So you'll be amazed at all of the different icons that Canva has. I'm sure you'll be able to find something that works for your covers. So let's say that I wanted to create a travel highlight. So I could come up here to the search bar and type in plane, for example. Okay, great. As you can see, there are all of these awesome plane graphics that you could use for your cover. So let's say that I want to go with something simple like this one. I'm just going to click on that. And so this looks pretty good already, but let's say that I want to customize the colors of this graphic. I can absolutely do that as well. So you'll see these pencil icons down at the bottom here. Now the number of icons that you see will be determined by how many colors are in the graphic itself. So for example, there are just two colors of this graphic. We have white and a black outline. And so you'll know which one to edit because the background color behind this pencil icon will match. So for example, with this first one here, this is going to control the white area of this graphic, and that's because the background of the pencil icon is white, okay? So if I click on that, I can change the color. So I have some colors saved already. Let's say I wanted to change it to pink. I'm going to click on that, and that is automatically going to replace the white area. So now I'm going to click done. And let's say I want to change the black outline. I'm going to click on this pencil icon with a black background and change that as well. So I'm going to change that to white. As you can see, that has flipped the outline from black to white. And now I'm going to click done. All right, so that looks good already. Let's say that we change our mind on what graphic we want to use. That's totally fine. You just have to hit the little trash can here at the top and then go back here to your plus sign, illustrations, and you can try again. So I'm gonna go again with the plain idea, and let's try a different one so I can show you the colors again. So let's say this one. So with this one, as you can see, now we have 4 pencil icons down at the bottom, and that's because there are 4 different colors in this graphic. So I can simply click on each one to replace them. So let's start with the main color, that light blue. I can replace that with my green and then hit done. Then this shade of blue right here, I could change to pink, for example, hit done. This blue here, I'm also going to change, let's see, okay, that works. And this black, I'm gonna change to navy instead. Okay, great, so that's just an example. Actually, the main color I'm gonna change to white. Okay, cool. So when you are done customizing this, you're just going to hit done, And then you need to save this to your camera roll. So you're gonna hit this down arrow top right here, and this is going to save this image to your camera roll. All right, so now that you have downloaded that on your phone, you need to create a highlight on Instagram. So I'm going to go into Instagram, and first I need to add a highlight. So as you can see on my profile, I have a ton of highlight covers already that I've customized and had way too much fun with. Okay, but first things first, we have to add a highlight. When you are logged into Instagram, you're going to see highlight and this plus sign here. So you're gonna click on that, and this is going to bring up all of your previous stories. So in order to get it on a highlight, you will have had to post it on your stories already, okay? So let's say I wanna add this one, okay? I'm gonna hit next. And then to change that highlight cover, I'm gonna hit edit cover. And then you'll see a little image icon, click on that. And because we just saved it to our camera roll, it's gonna automatically bring it up. Awesome. So what you can do is you can resize this a bit if you want, but I'm honestly pretty happy with where it was. And these little gray grid lines will appear, which is great, so you can center it that way. All right, I'm gonna hit done. Okay, and done. And then you need to give your highlight a name. So I'm gonna do testing and hit add. And there you go. We now have our brand new highlight cover. So you can go ahead and continue this process. You can have as many highlights as you want. So definitely have fun with this. That is how you create your custom highlight covers. Hope that you like how easy this is. And definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Solopreneur Sidekick. I post all about running an online business and being a digital nomad and how you can do it as well. So definitely come and say hi over there. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. That is how you quickly and easily create custom highlight covers for Instagram. I hope that you loved this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, leaving me a comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video.